a bed to come and eat this watermelon. Okay, this is my 4th load of dirt. I brought 2 loads in on the loader and I got stuck in the mud. So then I had to stop and get dig myself out. I had to dump the load, use the bucket to dig myself out. And then I started trying to get it with this. I went and got 1 load with that. And I said, oh no, those days are over. So I went back and I moved some of the wood shavings that I have up in the front. I turned them over, and underneath was some beautiful dark soil. A little bit of red clay in there. I think I went a little bit too deep, but it's got some beautiful dark soil in there from where the wood chips have turned to dirt. So I'm going to try to put those on the side where I'm going to have the beds. This is the same stuff right here. It's beautiful, and it's got worms in it. I mean, galore. It should work out pretty good because I'm going to put sand where the beds are not, and where I'm going to put the bricks on the floor. So stay tuned and subscribe, like, and ring that bell so you can see the finished product. Bye. Okay, I got the dirt leveled. I just need to compact it in. I've got to figure out how to do that. I got to make a compactor. I think I'm gonna get a pole and put a piece of heavy plywood on it, and then take it and just pack it in. And then put the sand on top after I get it packed in real good. And then start bringing the bricks over and putting those in. This side over here I didn't pack in because this side, a bed is gonna run down that way, so bricks won't even go over here. The rest of it is going to be shelves all the way around that way, ending at the back over there. But over here would be plants, my peppers and tomato things that I have to bring in for the winter. I'll have a bed over there just for those, and that go from here back to there and over. And I'll have a bench coming from over here all the way up to here for me to work on, and shelves up there for plants to sit on, for seedlings. And then I have a cute little table that I'm going to put in the center of the floor here. Cute little raw iron table. The outside, I'm going to take some mulch and build this area up here to the front door, and lay some pavings coming down here and going all the way out there to right there where that opening is, because I'm going to put a fence there, and a sign that says welcome to my garden. And then I'll put some pavers coming over here, going up to the back door into where my kitchen is. I'll also put some pavers going over here to this garden, and maybe a sidewalk, or well, I'll decide later. I haven't decided yet. But all of this is going to be a garden area. I'm going to fix that shed back there for my garden tools and all of that. Get it cleaned up real nice. Get rid of all this scrap wood around here, and put a walkway going from here over to that field. because I'm going to eventually plant some corn and some muscadine back there in that field, and some other things. Put some beds back there, and I've got some great ideas. I just need to slow down and work on it and let them come to fruition. So thank you for visiting me. Stay tuned for the rest of the project by subscribing and hitting that bell, and you'll get to see what we're doing here at Genesis Farm. God is good all the time, and blessings to you. Bye-bye.